to Theta estimate for August 2024. To start with, cost its own 459 coins. Exorbitant costs of 459, while lows and 369. But found the middle value of costs of 421. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's end of 395, change for August 13.9%. Us to Theta expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at zone 395 coins. Exorbitant costs 295, while lows 318. They found the middle value of costs 30.62. The US to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 41, change for September 13.7%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at Theta 41 coins. Excessive costs are 3 to 52, while lows are 3 to 7. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 332. The S to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 0.28, change for October 3.8%. Us to Theta expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 28 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.28, while lows went to at 64. They found the middle value of costs to 301. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end 82, change for November 14%. Dollar to Theta estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 282 coins. Exorbitant costs onto an 82, while lows 227. They found the middle value of costs on 259. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 243, change for December 13.8%. US to Theta expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 243 coins. Excessive costs on 243, while lows in 284. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 227. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends into an 18, change for January 10.3%. Dollar to Theta figure for February 2025. In the first place, cost at 218 coins. Exorbitant costs on 224, while lows on 194. They found the middle value of cost 211. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends into an 8, change for February 4.6%. US to Theta expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 208 coins. Exorbitant costs are 215, while lows on 187. They found the middle value of cost 283. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 200, change for spring 3.8%. Dollar to Theta figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 200 coins. Excessive cost 201, while lows are 74. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 191. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 187, change for April 6.5%. US to Theta expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 187 coins. Exorbitant costs are 395, while lows are 169. They found the middle value of costs of 183. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 181, change for May 3.2%. Dollar to Theta estimate for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at 181 coins. Exorbitant costs are 187, while lows are 163. They found the middle value of costs are 176. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 174, change for June 3.9%. US to Theta expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 174 coins. Excessive costs on 185, while lows on 161. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 173. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 172, change for July 1.1%. Dollar to Theta figure for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 172 coins. Exorbitant costs are 181, while lows on 158. They found the middle value of cost on 170. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends are 169, change for August 1.7%. US to Theta expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 169 coins. Exorbitant costs on 169, while lows are 144. They found the middle value of costs are 159. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends are 154, change for September 8.9%. Dollar to Theta figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 154 coins. Excessive costs are 154, while lows are 124. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 141. The S to Theta figure toward the month's end on 133. Change for October 13.6%. Us to Theta expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 133 coins. Exorbitant cost on 170, while lows on 133. They found the middle value of costs on 149. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end on 158. Change for November 18.8%. Dollar to Theta estimate for December 2025. Initially costed 158 coins. Excessive cost 202, while lows were 158. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 177. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 188. Change for December 19%. US to Theta expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 188 coins. Exorbitant costs of 188, while lows of 162. They found the middle value of costs on 178. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 174. Change for January 7.4%. Dollar to Theta estimate for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 174 coins. Exorbitant costs on 201, while lows to 174. They found the middle value of costs on 184. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 187. Change for February 7.5%. US to Theta expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 187 coins. Exorbitant costs on 233, while lows are 187. They found the middle value of cost on 206. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 216. Change for spring 15.5%. Dollar to Theta estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 216 coins. Exorbitant costs on 216, while lows on 181. They found the middle value of costs on 202. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end on 93. Change for April 10.6%. US to Theta expectation for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 193 coins. Excessive cost point 233, while lows at 193. They arrived at the midpoint of cost point 209. The S to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 217. Change for May 12.4%. Dollar to Theta figure for June 2026. To start with cost at 217 coins. Exorbitant costs on 278, while lows on 217. They found the middle value of costs on 243. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends on 258. Change for June 18.9%. US to Theta expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at 258 coins. Exorbitant cost 231, while lows on 250.